Hey, what's up guys? Vic here with PhoneArena with the Pixel 5a, the brand new budget phone by Google. $450 starting price, 2 cameras. Let's test out the video recording quality. Right now in 4K 30, testing the video stabilization. So Pixel phones are known for having great video stabilization. So you let me know how you like the video recording quality as we're moving here. And what I'll do next is, just if you follow me around a bit, I'll try to disappear out of the frame and then come back so you can see the continuous autofocusing feature. If it's able to quickly switch the focus back to my face and to the background, and again on my face. And if I step out, it should be able to focus on the background and back to me. Next thing we'll do is just zoom in using the digital zoom. Let's zoom all the way in. And of course, since you don't have a telephoto zoom camera, the quality is probably not great, but that's the maximum you have. So let's zoom in to the maximum level, take a look at the quality, and then zoom back out to the main camera. And you also have an ultra-wide camera, so let's switch to that real quick. Switching over to the 0.6x ultra-wide camera. And that's a quick test of the camera on the Pixel 5a. Let me know if you like the quality or not. My name is Vic. This is PhoneArena. Thanks for watching.